different in this NASA image. You see all brown here and then green to the east. That's because this whole area has been essentially deforested. They take all the trees down. They burn the trees. And even the kids there, they're so hungry they actually eat the trees. Now,
sure. You know the best way? Let me tell you about Haitian people. We Haitian people, we eat tree. Let me show you. We drink muscle milk. The news lady doesn't know anything. And we eat tree. You see the tree? We eat tree. And after that, American woman, the best people you gotta get. Haitian men, we eat tree. We strong. Haitian men, they got big tree.